Where were we? The Lamb pub?
Lamb pub is where we shook hands.
Shook hands on creating a staffing business that was different to the standard recruitment mould.
Removing KPIs in our organisation, that was a game changer. Our sales per head went up.
The flexible working is a massive part of that. People can work whenever they want, however they want, with a view that there is an outcome at the end of it, but you don't have to be rigidly sat in your seat 9 to 5 to do that.
We set up a company where the supply and demand was completely big demand, no people. We needed to work out a way of how we got to help those that were learning these new skills, connect with that community, understand what the challenges were.
Nurture was born, and that really is our purpose-driven service within the business.
Nurture, to date, we are delivering between 60 and 75 projects a year. What we want to do is give a voice to our industry experts so that they can give feedback back to the university to make sure that the university content is current and on point with what industry will expect of future generations of data scientists. And we've created amazing relationships where my students have then become my clients over the last few years as well.
What we can do is help transfer the knowledge and help understand what are the industry best practices, what are the tools, technologies and systems you can employ, and what's the people change from cultural and a skills perspective that can enable your business to start to unlock their data value.
We are specialists in the data space. We spend a lot of time obviously building up those relationships, building up trust. We've got a huge network of senior professionals within the data space now.
And then you have the other communities that we're connected to, like-minded females, like Northern Power Women Network, like Media City, Big Data London. And none of that is just about placing people into new positions.
You either have a staffing business, or do staffing, of consultancy, or you have the education piece. But there's very few businesses that have all three to support data transformation. And now it's just time for us to really help the market